Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Nissan Micra here on a 2014 plate. Basically it's a 2014-2015. If you've got something like this with this headlight here, you've got to remember this is a facelift model, so it's quite pointy on the side. K13 this is. So what we're doing is we're replacing the main dip bulb on this side. I'm just going to show you. So this does the main dip and the high beam. So if I ignition on, lights on, right, okay, now you can see that there isn't working and this one here is working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it. I'm going to show you how it's done. Turn the lights off again, switch the ignition off. To do it, it is a simple procedure. The bulb you need is a H4 bulb. That's the plug right there. So I'm just going to get the camera in an angle. All you've got to do is wiggle this plug here and gently pull it towards the back. So pull it that way. Now if for any reason this does get stuck, you wedge a screwdriver in right on the inside where you see the end of the plug, and then gently do this with it so it will just come out. So left right and then come out. So I'm putting pressure on the bulb and then pulling it at the same time, so I don't want the bulb coming out with the spring. There we go, that's out. They just get a bit tight because they don't come out that often. So you then do is take the cover off. Just remember, when you take the cover off, do put it back in, otherwise you'll get water going inside. So that's out. So that's the bulb right there. So it is a H4 bulb. If you did want one, you can find it in the link, the description for the bulb as well. So you push this down and then pull to your left, pull the whole thing out. Now you see how the bulb is sitting. So you've got 3 pins here. So this one's facing up. Now if I pull this back, now you can see that there is facing up as well. And then you've got those 2 there facing down. So take the bulb out, I'll get the new one. Right, I've got the new bulb right here. So it is a H4 bulb. And I'm just going to put it back in. Now for any reason, if you do put the bulb in wrong, what will happen is you'll have the beam image will be incorrect. You'll be blinding people in front of you. That's in there now. See, like I said, that one's facing up and these are facing sideways. I then put the cover on. Make sure this goes straight in and it pushes right in so you can plug it in easily. There we go. That's good. I then get the plug and then push the plug in. So that should be good. What we're going to do now is check, see if it's working. Right. So ignition on, lights on. Now you can see that there is working. And this one's working as well. Now this does the 4 beams, so the high beam, low beam, and you can see on the wall right there, you see they're both working. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. If you did find this video useful, do click on it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.